Welcome back, everybody. Let's zip around the state looking at a few of our sky cams in Lewistown. Wet roads, a little mix of rain and snow around the area. You can see the flakes, though, are flying just east of town up on the Lewistown divide. In Lewistown, the snow will be coming your way, several inches. How about Boulder Hill? Fog and snow at the moment. Deep Creek Pass in between White Sulphur Springs and Townsend. Doesn't look so bad right now, but temperatures for the most part above the freezing point. Overnight tonight, they're going to drop. So wet roads, slushy roads will become icy. Snow and fog up on McDonald Pass with a current temperature of 27 degrees. And how about Rogers Pass beginning to cover up the road here? Rogers Pass again could end up with about 14 inches of snow through tonight, tomorrow into Friday morning. The capital, that snow level right at about 4,700 feet. Rain showers now below that, but the temperatures dropped 3 degrees in the last hour. 37 the current reading. Right here around Dearborn, Interstate 15, it's wet right now, but at the top of Wolf Creek Canyon, up around Sebin Flats, we've gone over to snow, and this will be a sloppy area through tonight, through most of tomorrow into Friday morning. Great Falls, 36 degrees. Some of those raindrops will start to mix with some snowflakes here. Lewistown 35, Bozeman 39. A little cool pocket right in the west central part of the state will contribute to that rain mixing with and going over to snow. So winter weather advisory from Fergus County all the way back over the Continental Divide into southwestern Montana. Several inches of snow accumulating, a good amount into the mountains where some locations will pick up about 12 inches of snow. Minor flooding, roads still washed out, large areas of water on some of the roads and also out in the low-lying areas and poor drainage areas. This continues to be an issue pretty much in the same area where we were under that winter weather advisory. This is really a bad situation as far as the flooding goes up around the Missouri River here, right by the Missouri Breaks. Flood stage, major flood stage, is at 33 feet. We are 3.5 feet above major flood stage right now. Yeah, that's really high water. Also around Tampico, major flooding just north of Saco on the Milk River. Glasgow, Nashua, looking at minor flooding, minor flood stage. So flooding still a big issue, and it will be with this wet storm and another storm that will move in the first couple of days of April. Around Great Falls there, you can see that rain moving in, and we've got the mix of rain and snow depending on elevation near the capital. But overnight tonight, as the air gets colder, those snow levels will drop down to Great Falls and through around the capital. Notice how east of really Chester through Havre out through Glasgow, not much in the way of precipitation, but we'll see that snow continue around Lewistown, around the capital, Butte, Bozeman, Great Falls. If you're traveling anywhere or even over to around Missoula, Missoula may have rain, but just east of there on Interstate 90 through Bonner and Clinton, likely seeing some snow around Drummond as well. Some of that snow continuing into Friday morning before it tapers off and the clouds break up on Friday afternoon. Snowfall, I showed you this map here. Notice how it's the heaviest really in Lewis and Clark County. The Central Mountain Range is likely picking up a significant accumulation. The Crazies could see as much as 24 inches of snow, and the Gallatin Range, the Tobacco Roots could end up with about 24 inches of snow as well. But by Friday morning, the Helena Valley area, 4 to 8 inches of snow. Great Falls, maybe 2 to 5 inches of snow. Not as much up around Cut Bank. Lewistown 4 to 7, and again the mountains here in central Montana likely picking up between 8 and 16 inches of snow. A snowy day here on Thursday. It's wet, sloppy, slushy snow with temperatures in the mid-30s in the lower elevations, 20s in the mountains, making for a fluffier, lighter snow. It will be a snow-covered road if you are traveling up over any of the mountain passes tomorrow. Friday morning, some snow showers tapering off by the afternoon. High temperatures 30s and 40s. Look at eastern and northern Montana, actually a little warmer there, not as affected by this storm system. Then into Saturday, the final Saturday of March. It's a nice day. Mostly sunny skies, temperatures in the 40s to near 50 degrees. And into Sunday, a couple of showers will move through in the western and central part of the state. But all in all, I would say that's a pretty nice end to the month of March. Here are the next 7 days for the capital. Rain going over to snow tonight, and it's a snowy day tomorrow night into Friday morning. Again, the weekend's looking good, but then we've got another big spring storm developing Monday and continuing Tuesday into Wednesday with, you guessed it, more snow and maybe even colder air, allowing that snow to pile up even more.
Thank you, Curtis.